Good morning all Pathanians. How are you all? Welcome all of you in class 6th. We are on our second chapter, that is component of our food. Many nutrients are required for our food. Many nutrients such as carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals are required. So under this topic nutrient, we will study them one by one with their sources also. In the deficiency of disease, we will study the deficiency of vitamins and minerals in the human. So we will take them one by one. In the first part, we will take only nutrients and its component. As we all know, nutrients provide us energy. And without nutrients, without food, a human cannot survive. So to get the energy, proper nutrients are required. So let's take this topic in detail with their components.
Many types of food give us energy, such as grain, vegetables, fruits, oil, milk and milk beans. So all these provide us energy. Now these type of foods are divided into these type of nutrients such as protein, minerals, vitamins, carbohydrates and lipids. So in a protein diet, what we have to take? We can take peas, almonds butter, blackberry, hemp seeds, flax seeds, spirulina, many such type of proteins and soya bean also. Okay, and in a carbohydrate diet, what we can take? We can take root sea vegetables, green vegetables, beans, fruits and whole grains. So they increase the quantity of carbohydrate in our diet. So we must go through it. For fats, fat is again very important for our health, for the storage of energy. So oil is present here which contain a lot of fats. Coconut contains fats and these seeds, almond seeds, contain fats. So we can see these seeds all contain oils and oil contain fat which is stored in our body in form of energy. So let's take a view with all type of foods. All type of food give us growth and help in maintaining our body. So all these nutrients are very much required in our diet. To increase our blood regulation, carbohydrate, protein, vitamin and minerals, all these nutrients are very much required. Even the dietary fibers are very required. Fats and water is also a very essential nutrient to increase the body balance. So let's go through their nutrients also and their sources also. We can see in the pic very clearly shown their sources from where we can get carbohydrate, vitamin, minerals, dietary fibers, water, fat and protein. So let's take carbohydrate first. Carbohydrate is energy giving substances. It is used for our body, for the exercise and for hard work. As sugar and starch contain carbohydrate. And sugar such as sucrose, portable sugar, glucose all contain the sugar molecules. And if you talk about starch, grains contain starch, pea contains starch, potatoes contain starch and corn also contains starch, which are stored in our body in the form of carbohydrates and which give us energy. Now let's talk about fats. higher amount of energy than carbohydrates, like animal fats and vegetable fats. Let's talk about animal fat first. Butter, ghee, lard, tallow, and in vegetable oil, we'll talk about soya beans, seeds, sunflower, corn, and peanut seeds. So, as we get the fat from these animal also, and we get the oil from the vegetable also, which are stored in our body, which even give us energy. So they are used unchangeably in our body, and they can be stored at room temperature. But animal fats are solid at room temperature, but vegetable oils are not solid at room temperature. They are liquid at room temperature, and they have to be stored in the bottles. Okay, so that was extra one. And now we are talking about protein. Proteins are used for the growth and repair of our cells, yes, for our body tissues. And these protein help us the enzymes and hormones to build up, and they're necessary and needed for carrying out various body processes. And important components of making bones, muscles, and skin cells, cartilage, even blood cells also. So protein is very much important. So good source of protein, let's discuss about milk, egg, and seafood. Even beans also. Okay, now let's talk about vitamins. Vitamins are for the protection from disease, which help our body, can be stored in the form of vitamin A, D, and C. These vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, perform different functions in our body. So vitamin A is used for maintaining healthy eyes and skin, which is present in green leafy vegetables. And vitamin C protect us from disease as it is present in citric fruits. Vitamin D is produced with the help of sunlight, which help us to make our bones strong and obtain calcium and similar minerals from the food. They are essential for the growth and maintenance of the teeth, bones. So good source of this vitamins are milk, egg, fish, sunlight, green leafy vegetables. These all are the topic that I have covered of nutrients. You must go through this video and try to learn the concept and their sources also. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe.